off, boys. We're just waiting at the runway currently. I'm going to record the takeoff, so yeah, it's really foggy on this thing. It looks exactly like this. I'm so happy it's doing that for me. There's another plane taking off right now, or landing. So the plane taking off or landing right now is doing its thing. Because
Ladies and gentlemen, please, will you please remain seated, your seatbelts fastened as the aircraft is about to take off. Thank you.
Okay, boys, you've heard that. You already know what time it is. Being an av geek is not easy. On a plane, you can't really trust all of it while being one of the av geeks on the plane. Engine run test. Does that say engine run test? Okay, there it is. Engine, run your engine. Oh look, I'm plane spotting currently. Kind of plane spotting. I see another plane landing. Well, if you guys can't, oh yes you can. You saw it. Look at that, it's gonna land after us. What? Whoa! No! Oh no! We're gonna have a very quick takeoff if that's gonna be a plane landing. We're gonna need it. A very quick takeoff. That plane can't land like that. If it's near its final approach, like, we're gonna need to take off now. We might need to. They might need to like have an L36 around or something. All right, it's about to happen. It's about to happen. Hands on the pilots. Lives depend on them. Here it goes. In about 10 seconds. No, but you need to clear it, so it's going to take at least a minute. Another minute, probably, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's coming. It's about to happen. It's happening. We're on M7. I don't know what that is. I don't fully know what M7 is yet. But I see another plane trying to get in. That one's also coming in right now. This one's also trying to, that one's also trying to come in. If you cannot see that light right there, I swear I'm going to scream at you when I come back to the other man. It's about to happen, boys. Oh, he's scaring us. Oh, he's running the engines. He's doing an engine test. Before we take off, you always have to. Yeah. Alright. They have different runways for landing and taking off. For Gatwick, it's otherwise, you know. Gatwick only have one runway to take off and land. The space is too short. Emergency landing is supposed to be on the other runway for some reason. I don't know why they thought of that. But here it is, boys. Here. He's stopping the plane. He's stopping the plane right now. I'm about to feel the throttle. It's the roar of this plane. This might be like the strong one of like the like 100th strongest plane I've ever been on. Probably because it's a 737. This one's a Jet2 Holidays one. This one's an actual Jet 2 Holidays one because it's got that thingy. Not the grey one. The grey one I went on to come to Antalya. But on this one we're going back to Manchester. Okay, I hear it. It's coming. It's happening. It's happening. There it is, boys. There it is. Here it is, baby. It's coming. Hear that roar of the engine of the 737. 800 max. You hear that, boys? How fast the plane's going. Look at that. Look at that. My God, look at the engine power. The engine power. Look, we're taking off, we're taking off. Oh my, there goes the sudden lift. There goes the sudden lift. The lift of doom, we call it. Anything happens. All our loads are now in the pilot's hands completely when we're in the air. It's all the pilot who we trust. Who we now have to trust, I guess. That's like, we're not having any compressors or anything. We're just like, right now, that's like the engine at 2GAR. The engine makes that sound A320 and 737. Sometimes on A380, 800s. But look at that, boys. We're off the ground.